check it. I know this little Spanish broad, she cool for the summer. Her and her best friend get close with matching unders. When I seen them kissing, I wonder if I can get it slick and we can make this three. Feel free to speak at liberty. So I deliberately crept up, speech to swept up. Do it for the story, just for the rep up. Now picture this, like a 90s movie, not quite like a flick, NC-17 shit. Liz Berkeley popping that pussy just to buy couture. The other one looks like Asa Akira. When I seen her, I had to get nearer. Mind you, only a description, so I get the flipping in my mind. Two of my kind, so I reply in the mind. Being myself, shooting rope on the go, and I ask, is you fucking? Is you fucking? Baby, let her brother know. Let her brother know.
Versace in the form?
Oh yeah, Versace. I love Versace.
Me too.
Nice dress.
Thanks. It's a Versace.
It's Versace.
What?
Versace. It's pronounced Versace.
Dear Penthouse, this never happened to me. I could be capping, but bear witness, for real, raw deal, no rubber. I'm a stupid motherfucker when the law allows me. What can I say? The plans ain't lousy. After I get the bus and then I'm drowsy. They kick me out naked, they done playing. It really didn't matter cause I ain't staying. I'm pulling out and I see a wad of money, no doubt. I'm a fucking thief, get rich, I get relief. 1 grand richer, yeah I ain't shit. And they mans is work buddies, talking about building a family and a life. Homie never knew that I shot his wife. Months later, they happy, truly a first. One they prosperous, and she giving birth. I seen the babies in preschool clothes, the same type of hairline, and they got my nose. God damn it. Alright, do you like need money or something? I don't know what to tell you.
Gotta make a bitch choose, and you'll never lose. When a whore ain't on the clock, a real pimp's money stop. I told her my pimp is the reason why you leaving. Come back next season, and I'll still be breathing. See, a pimp gon' pimp, and a hoe gon' hoe. Just know what the fuck you doing it for. I get my money every day from a hoe, and I don't need no motherfucker to collect my dough. Because I'm pretty pimpin' Dino on Figaro, and pimpin' them hoes is all I know. I stay pimped out from head to toe, and leave a trail of working hoes everywhere I go. If you ain't working on Figaro, you ain't the hoe I'm looking for. My hoes buy a diamond ring, because my pimp is the same. If you can't hang, get up out this game. Now if a hoe change, they ain't gonna be the same. This is what I do to that calm drinking lane. I make her suck my dick, and I do mean daily. I calm in a booty hole, cause I ain't got time.